Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do knotless braids, and it's beginner friendly. Now I'm separating the hair and placing it on the hair rack. I'm going to be using orange expression braiding hair and shine and jam in the yellow jar. So I'm just pinning the hair on both sides up so it's not going to get in the way. Make sure to comb through or detangle the section that's about to be braided so your fingers can run through smoothly. Now part the hair into 3 even sections. It should look like 3 rectangles. I'm not going to be focused on tucking the hair in this video. If you're interested in a tucking video or tutorial, I have one available on my channel. This tip is for my beginners. The middle piece of hair goes to the right. The right piece of hair goes to the middle. The new middle piece goes to the left, and the left piece becomes the new middle. Then repeat those steps. It sounds complicated, but once you grasp the concept, you only need to learn the placement of your fingers. On the next braid, I'll slow everything down and explain step by step the process. Keep your braid tight and firm to avoid the braid from becoming loose. If you loosen your grip on one piece of braid, you may need to start all over from the beginning of that braid. So I'm finished adding in my braiding hair and feeding it into the braid. So now I'm just going to braid it down, and I'll speed this section up a little bit. Our first braid is complete, so let's get started on our second braid. Comb through your section and apply product on all 4 sides and part your section into 3 even parts. You're going to be braiding using your left thumb, middle, index, and ring finger, and your right, middle, index, and ring fingers. Now release your right thumb and index finger and grab onto the middle piece of hair. Now the right piece of hair should be between the middle and your ring fingers. Pull the new middle piece over the left piece using your thumb and index fingers, while pushing the left piece to the middle with your left thumb and index fingers. And that's one rotation, and we repeat over and over. Now attach the braiding hair onto that middle piece of hair and connect it to the side, the right side of the braid, and continue braiding. Keep the strands tight to avoid the braid from becoming loose. gonna slow it down one more time so you can see how to add that braiding hair into the braid. I'm attaching the braiding hair onto that middle piece of the hair, and then I'm gonna connect it onto the right piece as well and just continue braiding. Your knotless braid should look something like this. If you want a larger braid, you add more hair. Your pieces of braiding hair would be larger. If you want a smaller braid, then your pieces of braiding hair that you're adding in would be smaller. I hope I did a good job explaining this to you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Quick question. Do you guys prefer natural braiding hair colors like the 1B or number 1 jet black, or you prefer the bright colors like the blue, orange? Please let me know in the comment section. This is the last braid, so I'm gonna let you guys enjoy. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section and I'll be sure to respond. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.